Guess who? Gotta hide!
Open this door so I can turn on your lights, Woodpecker!
Try this.
Thank you!
Didn't see that one coming. Or did I?
Cut! That's a wrap, folks.
Hey, kid, where's my bottle of water? Huh. Buzz, baby, I love that you do your own stunts.
So does my chiropractor. Woody, I've been thinking, how about just once I win at the end of an episode?
I understand where you're coming from, buddy. But it's not me, it's the fans. They demand to see the handsome hero win.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, gang, the publicity department needs a photo of the three of you.
Yeah, no problem.
You got it.
Make sure you get my good side. Ah, who am I kidding? Both sides are my good side.
Say cheesy.
Jeez.
Thanks a million, gang.
Well, see you all tomorrow.
That bird needs a taste of his own medicine. I've always wanted to direct. Oh, this ought to make things interesting for that spoiled little redhead.
Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sir.
Okay, Woodpecker, get ready to star in my latest cartoon, Buzzed by Buzz. Came up with the title myself.
Oh, I'm crazy. What can I do? So are you. Hey, where did everything go? What's the deal? Could this be a circus episode? Oh! Whoa, whoa. Ah. Huh? Phew, you know, maybe this is just a really weird dream.
And it's about to get weirder.
Whoa! Should have brought my swim fins. You don't want to eat me, Mr. Shark. Woodpeckers don't taste very good, so I've heard. Huh?
Try outrunning this.
Whoa! Yikes! Nowhere to go but up. Better wait out the storm.
Fasten your seatbelt, hero. It's about to get very bumpy.
Oh, what now? Oh, seriously? Phew. A snake. It just had to be a snake. Huh? What the? Huh? Where am I? Help! Buzz, time for a plot twist.
How did you...
You should know by now, Buzz. Never run afoul of this fowl. Hey! Give me that back! No, it's mine! Mine!
No way, it's mine! No, it isn't.
Look what you did!
Me? This This is all your fault, superstar.
How are they gonna animate the next episode?
Who cares? I'm never gonna work with you again.
That goes ditto for me, pal.
Hey, what's the big idea? Wait a second.
If you're here and I'm here, who's drawing this?